How to balance a chemical equation. This is the point. Select maximum number of atoms, either reactant or product size. Number 2, this is the rule. This is called heat and trial method. Trial method, here to balance the chemical equation. Select maximum number of atoms, either reactant or product side. If number is odd, convert into even number. Select maximum number of atoms, either reactant or product size. If number is odd, convert into even number. Select maximum number of atom, either reactant or product size. If number is odd, convert into even number. Now proceed how to balance chemical equation. I start balancing from NCERT book, question number 5. NCERT book, question number 5. Translate the balance the chemical equation. How to balance the chemical equation? Question number 5. Question number 5 is hydrogen gas combined with nitrogen gas to form ammonia. Hydrogen H2 plus nitrogen to form ammonia NH3. So how we balance this one? Select maximum number of atom, either reactant or product side. In product side, the hydrogen is maximum number, which is 3, but which is odd number. If it is odd, maximum number is 3 and maximum number is 3 hydrogen, but it is odd. Convert into even number. To convert into even number, place here 2. When it is placed 2, then hydrogen become 6. Hydrogen becomes 6. So you place your hydrogen here 3. So this is balance. So this is the way how to balance the chemical equation. Number 2, hydrogen sulfide H2S. Hydrogen sulfide reacts with aluminum sulfate. How we write the aluminum sulfate? Hydrogen sulfide reacts with hydrogen sulfide burn in air. No. Number 2 logi hydrogen sulfide H2S burn in air means reaction with oxygen to give water and sulfur dioxide H2O plus SO2. So how is balance? What is the maximum number? Hydrogen is in reaction side hydrogen 2, product side hydrogen 2. Reaction side hydrogen sulfide sulfur 1, product side sulfur 1. Oxygen 2, product side hydrogen oxygen is number 3. So oxygen is maximum. 2 plus 1, here 2, this is 1, here 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is odd number. So convert to even number. Here you place 2. So placing 2, the hydrogen become 4. So you place hydrogen become 4. Place here 2, hydrogen become 4. Placing hydrogen to convert hydrogen form. Now sulfur become 2. So here you place 2, sulfur is 2. Now oxygen is 2 plus 2, this is 2 into 2 into 4, 2 oxygen 6. So you place here 3. So this is balance. Next question is barium chloride. Number 3, barium chloride, barium BaCl, barium balance of barium is 2 and chlorine is 1. So BaCl2, barium chloride reacts with aluminum sulfate. How write aluminum sulfate? AlSO4, balance of sulfate is 2 and aluminum is 3. To give aluminum sulfate, to give aluminum chloride, AlCl, balance of aluminum is 3, so add 3, and barium sulfate BaSO4, balance of barium is 2 and sulfate is 2. so not required any balance. Equally, barium is 2 and sulfate is also 2. So what is the maximum number? What are the maximum number either reactant or product side? In the reactant side, oxygen here 3 4 are 12. So 12 number of oxygen. Oxygen is 12 number and it is even. Oxygen is 12 number and it is even. So you place here 3. 3 4 are 12 oxygen. Barium is now 3 number of barium. You place here 3. Chlorine become 6. So you place here 2. Chlorine 6. Now this is balance. Mark the point. Barium, first here select the maximum number of atom. Oxygen is 12. So in the product side, if you place 3, then oxygen become 12. Now barium is 3. Place here barium is 3. After placing 3, chlorine becomes 6. Here chlorine become 3. So you here place 2. So equation is balanced. Next is potassium metal. Numbers 4. Potassium metal reacts with water H2O to give potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Potassium valence 1, hydroxide valence 1. So formula of potassium hydroxide is KOH. You may place here bracket also. Now what is the maximum number? Maximum number of hydrogen is here is 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. This is a odd number. So you place here 2. This is even. Now what is the hydrogen? Potassium is here potassium is 2. Here place 2. Hydrogen 4. So here you place 2. This is balance. So question number 6. Question number 6. Nitric acid. This is HNO3. This is the formula of nitric acid and calcium hydroxide. CaOH. Formula is already given. OH give NO3 CaNO3 2. Nitrate valence 1 and calcium is 2. So formula is calcium nitrate NO3. This is the nitrate NO3 plus H2O. This is the equation. How to balance? So what is the maximum number in the reactant side? Oxygen 2 plus 3 5. In the product side, oxygen 3 into, this is the multiplication, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 7. So it is a odd number. Here we place 2. Then it is converted into even number. The how many oxygen 2 will give 2 plus 6 8. Here if you place 2, then 2 3 are 6 and 2 hydrogen, then it is balance. 2 hydrogen, calcium number 1, hydrogen 2 will give hydrogen 4. So it is balance. Number 6 1 2. 6 2 sodium hydroxide NaOH reacts with H2SO4 to form sodium sulfate NaSO4. Valence of sulfate is 2, so we place 1 and sodium is 1. So need no, here only 1. No need to write this one. And H2O. What is the maximum number? Maximum number in this oxygen 4 plus 1 5. Here 4 plus 1 5. This is the maximum number on both sides. 4 plus 1 5. On both sides, number of oxygen maximum but equal. So what is the next number? Next number hydrogen in the reactant side 2 and product side hydrogen 1. and 3. This is odd number, so we place here 2. If we place 2, then it is balanced. Sodium, oxygen, sodium, hydrogen will get 2, 2, 4. Here we place 2. So hydrogen 4, oxygen 2, oxygen 6. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 4, 6. So it is balanced. Number 3, sodium chloride, NaCl plus silver nitrate, AgNO3. Silver nitrate to form AgCl and NaNO3. Sodium nitrate. Here product and sodium 1, sodium 1, silver 1, silver 1, chlorine 1, chlorine 1, oxygen 3, oxygen 3, nitrogen 1, nitrogen. So it is balanced, already balanced. Number BC, BABCD. In the D, barium chloride, BaCl2 plus H2SO4 give BaSO4 plus HCl. What is the maximum number? Oxygen is 4, here oxygen is 4. Barium is 1, barium is 1. Chlorine is 2, here chlorine is 1. Hydrogen is 2, here hydrogen is 1. So if we place here 2, this is a even number, hydrogen is even number. So chlorine is also 2. If we place, then it is balanced. Number 7, calcium hydroxide. Number 7, 1. Number 7, 1, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2 plus CO2 carbon dioxide give CaCO3 plus H2O. What is the maximum number? Oxygen here 2, 4. Here oxygen 3 plus 2 5. Maximum number. So it is odd number. So convert it into even. Here we place 2. Then hydrogen become 4. Here we place 2. Here we place 2. Hydrogen become 4. Calcium become 2. Now placing calcium and here carbonate, carbon become 2. So you place here carbon become 2, here you place 2. So carbon, oxygen become 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Here oxygen 6 plus 8. Sorry, 7, 1 is already balanced. 7, 1 is already balanced. Here oxygen 2, 2, 4, 3 plus 1, 4, hydrogen 2, hydrogen is 2, calcium 1, calcium 1, carbon 1, carbon 1, it is already balanced. It is already balanced. Number B, zinc reacts with silver nitrate. AgNO3 give zinc nitrate. Valency of zinc is 2, so this is nitrate valency 1, silver valency 1, zinc nitrate plus Ag. What is the maximum number? Here maximum number will get 3 to the 6. Oxygen is 6. Here is 2. We place here 2. Silver become 2. Zinc become 1. So it is balanced. Maximum number select. Here nitrate low. Oxygen 3 to the 6 maximum. This is a even. So here place 2. So oxygen is 3. Silver become 2. So we place before silver 2. So this is balance. Now see 7C aluminum reacts with copper chloride. Copper chloride valence of copper 2 and chlorine is 1, CuCl2, and aluminum chloride AlCl3. Valence of aluminum is 3 and chlorine is 1 plus copper. What is the maximum number? Maximum number is a chlorine and is odd. Convert into even one, you place 2. Chlorine is 6, here you place 3. Copper is 3, so place here 3, so it is balanced. Next will barium chloride, BaCl2 reacts with potassium sulfate, KSO4 to form BaSO4, valence K2SO4, potassium sulfate, K2S sulfate valence is 2, K2SO4, barium sulfate, valence of barium 1, sulfate 1, barium sulfate and potassium chloride, valence of potassium 1, chlorine 1, so it is potassium chloride. What is the maximum number? Maximum number, oxygen 4, here oxygen 4, barium 1, here barium 1, potassium here 2, this is even, so you place here 2, then chlorine become 2, so it is balanced. So this is the point to remember. Select maximum number of atom either reactant or product side. If it is odd, then convert into even one. If you proceed in this way, any chemical reaction able to balance.